Oh, that's the scary part. Let's go ahead. Let's watch it fully. I was paying attention to the question. Thank you for becoming a member to Will Therapy. Good braking. Good braking. Good braking. Okay, so when I first see this, I see that we have a blind corner. Okay, blind corner is a little scary. So when I talked about positioning yourself for safety, the planning, position yourself for safety, locate hazards, adapt to those hazards, and then navigate threats. So we're in lane position 1, 2, and 3. We're in lane position 2 right now. What I would be doing is lane position 3, because that's going to give me the best line of sight. Okay, so this only gives me this line of sight, and this only gives me this. So I want to be able to see everything versus just a little bit. Does that make sense? So it's all about line of sight in this situation. With line of sight, it's going to allow me to see around the corner versus seeing it and then have to look around it at the last second. I want to see around it while I'm riding. So that's why I would be in lane position 3 right here, just so I can have that vision. Remember, I'm always positioning myself for vision, space cushion, and escape routes. And this is going to give me the best out of all of them. So when we're moving forward like this, oh, it's like a little turtle head poking out. That's a dangerous situation if you're not near a toilet. So if I was in lane position 3, I could swerve into here. I can maybe brake because I saw it way ahead of time. So I got this total stopping distance, but I could swerve. I could do a lot of things. But right here, I barely just now noticed it. Maybe we would have noticed it just maybe like, 5 meters back, 5 yards back, however you want to think about it. But that will buy you so much time. So he starts to brake. Now, this is the situation where it's like, well, do I shoot for the gap that is closing or opening, or do I shoot for the gap that is closing? So closing on the right, opening on the left. Or do I try to stop in between? Okay, you have to go through all this process in your head. It's like, what do I do? What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? This is why you probably do both. Apply the brakes, swerve out of the way. So a little honk at the end, that's fine. The dude stopped, non-issue. There it is.